Can we see green once? No. No, we can't. What the fuck? Oh shit, I've exited too soon. No! We're 7 off! We're 7 off! We passed! We passed! Come on! Good morning, guys. It is day 23 of going all in on day trading until I'm profitable. And today it is Monday. It's about 9 a.m. We're getting the day started, so we've got a decent amount to do today. For those of you who don't know, we are one trade away from passing the eval of our 50k funded. So if you want to catch up on everything that's happened, go watch the videos before, and if you're enjoying watching my trading journey and find it valuable, make sure you subscribe. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs by the end of the month, so let's see if we can do that. But anyway, the plan for today is I'm going to be streaming at 2 o'clock London time, so right before market open, and I'm going to be seeing if I can pass this eval on stream. We're 500 away, but I don't want to get too carried away with myself, because the issue on Friday, for those of you who haven't seen Friday's video, is I just got a bit too greedy. And the trade itself wasn't that bad on Friday, in my opinion. But the big issue was I shouldn't have even been trading Friday, considering we had NFP, which, to be fair, did fuck all. And then we had Powell, which, to be fair, I guess it did fuck all. So the trade itself wasn't that bad. It's just my strategy. I shouldn't be trading Fridays like that. So we took an L. It wasn't a huge L. It was only 300. So unfortunately, I was 150 away from passing the account. Now I'm 500. But this can still be passed within one trade. So I'm chilling off that. I'm just going to follow my rules, go for the 1 to 2 risk to reward, not go for any 1 to 1 or 0.5 risk to reward bullshit. I'm just going to stick to my rules this time around. And hey, that should play out for me. I mean, it says it's going to play out for me in back testing. I've tested it. And yeah, obviously I hope for a trade today. But hey, if nothing happens, nothing happens. And hey, I might even take a loss. I'm ready to take a loss. But guess what? I've mentally prepared, and I will mentally prepare again for a loss. And I will mentally prepare to not crash out and start overtrading, because I'll be like, look, I took a loss. I followed my rules, because I will follow my rules. And hey, my strategy says you're not going to take that many losses. So I'm all good with it. I'm not going to overtrade. I haven't had an issue with overtrading for months now, which is good progress. So I'll give you guys a rundown of kind of how the day's going to operate. So right now, doing the bike, I'll do some stretching, I'll eat, take the dog on a big ass walk. That'll take me up till about 11 o'clock. Then at 11 o'clock, come back. I'm going to back test for an hour. Now we're at 12. I'll eat, chill, read. That'll take us till probably 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, I'll get on the market, start streaming till 4 o'clock. After 4 o'clock, I'll get some homework done, revision. And then it'll be gym, and then it'll be sleep. So that's kind of going to be how most of my days operate now. There's not going to be much difference between the days. It's just going to be keep on repeating that until I end up where I want to end up. But I always say this, but you guys right here, right now, you guys already know if I pass the account. But you've got to bear in mind, I'm sat here. I don't know if I'm going to pass the account or not today. So, hey, we'll see. But people on the live, they'll know immediately if I pass the account. And people in the Discord, they'll know second, and then you guys will know third, but yeah. So, anyway, I'm going to get on some stretching, and I might see you guys for some of that. if I've got anything else to discuss. Okay, so obviously with the Trump tariff situation and us being going through a literally historic market dump right now. I mean, Friday had, I'm pretty sure, the biggest move down the Nasdaq might have ever seen, or at least in the last like half a decade it's ever seen, which is crazy that I traded on that and fucking lost. But upon the new week, I think it was pretty predictable that the new week opening gap was going to be pretty fucking big, like gapping downwards. So I look, I don't think we're going to rebalance. Obviously I could be wrong, but just like without even looking at the charts that much, I don't think we're going to go into this new week opening gap today. Could be wrong though. I definitely could be wrong. But London sessions just wrapped up now, or the volatility of London sessions just wrapped up now, and it is, I mean, it was bullish. London session was pretty bullish. I'd imagine New York session will be relatively a bearish session. If I was just to take a guess, I'll probably only be taking shorts. I don't really know why you'd long, because this is something I learned from the book, The Best Loser Wins, is that trying to buy the dip right now and trying to go, oh, it's cheaper, I'm going to buy it now. In my opinion, from what I've learned, it's like trying to catch a falling knife. It's like trying to catch a falling knife, yeah. So that would be fucking stupid. You're just going to go straight through your hand and you're going to fucking bleed and it's going to hurt. Just like trying to long this shit, in my opinion, because there's no sign that this is the bottom. I'm not a financial advisor, if that wasn't fucking obvious already, but I'm just saying what I'm thinking and what I will and won't be doing. This week it could be a bit choppy this week just because last week was such a big move, and that's one of the discussions we were having in the call. But I came to the conclusion that it could be choppy, yes, because this is the biggest move down a week's had in fucking forever. But I was thinking, you could have said that about any other of the weeks, because 9 out of 10 of the candles each week for the last 10 weeks have been downward candles, downward closing candles. And after each downward closing candle, which was relatively large already, you could have thought to yourself, oh, it was such a big move down, it's probably going to chop or go back up after this. And you could just like, how are you meant to know where the low is? You're not. So definitely, I will not be trying to predict the low. Doesn't mean I'm 100% not taking shorts. It just means it doesn't mean I'm not 100% not taking longs. It just means I'm definitely more likely going to be taking longs. Shorts. Anyway, I got all the animals there. I got the cat there, the dog here. I don't think you can see either of them right now. Yeah, man, anyone who lives in the UK knows it's been some good ass weather, or at least up north, it's been some good ass weather. For sure. I'm going to take the dog out. It's going to be nice. I might even be able to wear shorts outside today. So, that's fucking sick. Day like this. Passing the funded. Gym, we got chest and biceps. Bro, that'll be fucking insane. That'll be an insane lineup of a day. Oh, it's all ruined if we don't pass the funded though. And it's only marginally ruined if I don't take a trade at all. Anyway, I think I've done enough yapping. I'll be back when we're doing the post-market analysis. Hello. Have you got to say anything? Millie. We got this cat over here. And my dog. It looks like a beautiful day to pass the funded account. Hopefully all goes well. Hopefully we got the dog over there. I'm here and
This walk has been a little bit longer than I would have liked, but it's been a good walk, and it's about 12 o'clock now, so I'm ready to just like get back in half an hour, eat. I might read for a little bit, but before I know it, it'll be 1:30. I'll be time to do pre-market analysis, and I kind of just been, oh, this arm's really hurting. I've kind of just been thinking, is this still recording? I've kind of just been thinking about this account. It would actually be okay. This sounds like such cope. It would actually be okay if I lose the trade today, because if I lose the trade today, I can still pass the account tomorrow, and even if I lose the trade tomorrow as well, I can still pass the account on Thursday when I next trade, right? Because everything's a probability. Everything's a probability, and the probability might say I lose another 2 before I win one. But if I win today, I'll have to pay the $150 activation fee, and then the probability might shift to taking 2 losses straight off the bat on the actual funded, whereas the probability could shift. I hope this makes sense what I'm saying. Basically, it would be better to take 2 losses now and then a win compared to 1 win and then 2 losses. Obviously, just three wins this week would be nice, but that's kind of my mindset going into it. We'll do another spinny. So yeah, I'm really not concerned if I end up taking an L today, because I'll be like, well, at least I didn't take an L. At least I didn't win on Friday and end up taking an L today on the actual account. So I think that's a really positive mindset to have for this. To be honest, I feel really good about thinking that way. I don't feel anxious thinking that way. I don't feel nervous. I don't feel greedy thinking that way. So yeah, that's the mindset. Hopefully this was audible, and we'll get to the pre-market analysis. Right now it's 2 o'clock. I'm going to do some pre-market analysis, and then we will hop on stream and see if we take any trades. So, going on the daily, I'm pretty certain I only want to be taking shorts. Like I said earlier, it's like trying to catch a falling knife. I really do not think, unless we see an inversion of this gap in the next 56 minutes, this is the 4-hour gap. If we see an inversion of this weekly gap, maybe I'll take longs, but that right now that doesn't look like it's going to happen. So my bias is short. I feel like. I mean, I could see London lows getting hit. I guess 6 a.m. isn't. That's not London. No, that's not London. London lows, I'm expecting to get swept, moved down from this fucking daily new week opening gap. So I guess that's the plan, is we're going to look for shorts down into London lows. So I'm going to hop on stream now, talk to some of you guys over there, and yeah, let's get into it. What's up, guys? So this is a time lapse of when I was live. So if you guys want to watch me while I'm live, watch me trade, subscribe right now. That way you will be notified, or join the Discord. You'll be notified when I'm live. A lot of people find them useful, get a lot of information out of them, so it's definitely something you could benefit from if you think you can learn from me. Anyway, not unfortunately, but we didn't get a trade till literally the end of the session, and usually I'll come off at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. my time, 11 a.m. New York time, but I decided to stay on because there was an inverse that looked like we could get an inverse of a gap, and we ended up getting the inverse retraced into an order block. So yeah, I'll just kind of roll the rest of the stream where I take the trade. Low key, we're getting cooked. I don't even want to look at chat right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna look at chat until this trade fucking ends. Imagine this just hits fucking stop loss in like 1 minute. That'll be so sad. That would dead ass be so sad. These are not the type of trades I dream of. Should I open chat? I'm gonna regret opening chat. I'm gonna regret opening chat. We'll open chat. We'll open chat. Can we get any profit on this? Can we see green once? No. No, we can't. We were about to see green, but we didn't. Lunch is not right now. It's in like... I know it's not right now. It's in like 45 minutes. They're eating their sandwiches. What do you think they're eating for lunch? What do you guys think the New York big boys are eating for lunch? Probably like, I don't know, I don't really care. What the fuck? What the hell? What the helly? What the fuck? Boom, 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 boom! What the fuck? What the fuck is going on, chat? Chat, what the fuck is going on? I need to fucking extend my TP because it's not gonna... I need 5... What do I need? Chat, we're about to... Chat, get me out of this trade. Get me out of this trade. Oh shit, I've exited too soon. No! We're 7 off! We're 7 off! We're 7 off! Bro! We're 7 off! We're 7 off passing, bro! What is going on? What's going on? We're 7 off! We're 7 off passing, bro! What the fuck? No! No! We're 7 off! We're 7 off passing! We're 7 off passing! We're 7... Bro, we're 7 off passing! I don't care. No, we're going short, we're going short. Sell. We passed! We passed! Come on! Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Let's fucking go! Come on! We fucking passed! Bro! We fucking passed! That's alright. Ooh, again with I. Hey around, hey low, make sure we keep. I feel like I should backflip, but I can't do a fucking backflip. Whoever put sell, whoever typed sell in chat, bro. Whoever typed sell in chat is an absolute legend. Whoever typed L in chat is a fucking legend. We fucking passed. Mom, I just passed the account. You want to come? I'm streaming. We got. You don't have to be on the stream. You want to be on the stream? You don't want to be on the stream? We got like 40 people watching. Are you proud? You don't want to be on it? Are you proud of me? Look, they're all saying, Mum, look. They're all saying W. That means win. Oh, thanks. Where's my email? Where's my certificate? Where the fuck is my certificate, bro? Let's do a recap of the damn trade! What's up, guys? So I'm back from the gym. We're going to do post-market analysis. I'm still very happy. Obviously, you guys just saw we passed the funded. Hang on. Doosh. Hopefully that makes me look not minuscule. But, yo, this was a sick day. Really happy with the trades, really happy with the community, the stream. Obviously, I made a separate video before this, before the whole vlog, kind of going over how it feels to pass the funded, which will come out before this, but I'm actually going to record after this. So, anyway, this video is primarily just going over the trade. So, everyone knows I was only willing to go short on this day. I was only willing to go short. Now, what did we have here? We had an SMT ski with this and this SMT on the 1 hour. So I feel like a lot of people got tricked into going long. They got FOMO'd into going long after seeing these massive push up. But what we entered off of was this fair value gap getting tapped into. We had the inverse of that. This almost inversed. In the moment I thought it inversed, ended up not mattering. That's something I've got to improve on. Make sure we are inversing this gap. But it was still a pretty nice setup for a trade. I'm happy with it. It hit TP. And hey, that's really all I'm going to do for this segment. You guys already know there's a whole other video released before this. So if you haven't already, go watch that one. I'm going to be going over how it feels and all that. Or I guess I already have gone over that. Anyway, super good day. Super happy with that. Past the funded. We are live. Next video you guys see will be on a live account. And yeah, subscribe so you don't miss the streams, because that stream was fucking lit. And join the Discord so you also don't miss any streams. And if you need any help, or you just want friends like profitable traders, unprofitable traders to talk to, help people out, be helped out, hey, it's the perfect place. So I'll see you guys